Hey, crypto fam. Today we're going to dive deep into how to set up a sniper bot for automatically buying and selling tokens. I'll guide you through every step from creating or connecting your wallet to working with the buy and sell monitor. If you're looking to fully automate your token trading, this guide is for you. And don't forget, the link to the bot is in the description of this video. Let's get started. So, let's break down how to start working with the sniper bot. The first thing you need to do is press the Start button. You might see a message where you need to choose Sniper. After that, the bot will give you two options, Connect Wallet or Generate Wallet. If you choose Connect Wallet, I recommend connecting your wallet using your private key instead of a seed phrase for better security. However, I'll choose Generate Wallet to create a new wallet. After that, you'll be shown your wallet address, private key, and recovery phrase. It's important to write down and store these securely, but don't worry, if you lose them, they can still be found in the bot. Wallet interface and management. After connecting or creating your wallet, the screen will show the main information about your current bot settings. Below that, you'll see buttons to interact with your wallet. Disconnect wallet, return, generate wallet, send ETH, send tokens. These buttons allow you to send ETH or tokens to other addresses and manage your wallet directly through the interface. Bot configuration. Now let's configure the Sniper bot. Here are the key parameters you need to understand. Anti-rug automatically sells tokens if suspicious contract functions are called. I keep this turned off because it can sometimes sell too early. Anti-mev protects you from MEV bot attacks. This is a very useful feature, so make sure it's enabled if it's not already. Degen mode allows you to buy honeypot tokens. This is a very niche feature, and I don't use it as it's only useful for a small group of traders. Now let's move on to the buy settings. Confirm trade buy prevents accidental buys by requiring confirmation. I have this turned off, but if you're worried about misclicks, it's better to enable it. Duplicate buy, dupe buy, allows you to buy the token again if you accidentally press the buy button twice. I recommend turning this off because there have been cases where it led to unnecessary purchases and losses. Auto buy automatically makes a purchase, which is useful for copy trade deals. I keep this turned on since I use copy trade. If you don't use it, you can leave it off. Next are the settings that limit token purchases based on liquidity and market cap. I don't set such restrictions because I trade tokens with varying liquidity, but I always set MNMC/liquidity to 1 since tokens with a market cap lower than liquidity are usually scams. Now let's cover the fee and gas settings. Buy fee, I set this to 20% to avoid buying tokens with higher fees. Typically, meme coins have 0% fees, while utility tokens usually have up to 5%. Gas delta. This is the extra GUI the bot adds to your transaction to speed it up. I set it to 16 GUI so my transaction is processed faster than others. Pro tip, to calculate the additional cost in dollars, divide the GUI amount by 2. In my case, that's an extra $8. Slippage, I set slippage to 30%. This parameter will protect you from large price fluctuations and MEV bots, as well as prevent purchases of overly volatile tokens. Now let's move on to the sell settings. Confirm trade sell works the same as confirm trade buy, but for sales. Turn it off if you're confident in your actions. Auto sell automatically sells the token after purchase. Trailing sell adjusts your stop loss to the maximum profit level. I leave this off because sometimes it sells at an unfavorable moment. Auto sell retry automatically retries the sell transaction if it fails. This is a very useful feature, so make sure it's enabled. Sell HI, this is your take profit percentage. I recommend setting it to 100% so the bot will sell the token once it reaches this profit level. Sell low, this is your stop loss. I set mine to negative 50% to avoid large losses. Sell HI amount and sell low amount. These are the percentages of tokens that will be sold when the take profit or stop loss is triggered. I recommend setting both to 100%. Gas delta. This works the same as for buying, and I set it to 16 GWA for selling as well. Price impact alert. This notifies you of how your sell will impact the token's chart. I set it to 10% because I want to know how much my sale will move the price. Slippage. I set this to 30% to protect the sale from sudden price swings. Now let's discuss the buy monitor for purchasing tokens. To bring up the buy monitor, simply paste the token's contract address into the input field and send it to the bot. On the screen, you'll see token name and contract address, pool, address, current WAI, token liquidity and burned tokens, remaining tokens in the contract, market cap and buy sell fees. The monitor also has buttons, switch between buy and sell, change slippage and gas delta for this specific token. Option to buy tokens with a specified amount of ETH, Ape Max. Buy the maximum allowed amount of tokens if there's a limit set by the developer. Sell monitor. Once you buy a token, a new monitor will appear. Here you can also automatically set up a sell order using the buy dips function, where you set the threshold values for purchasing, for example, by price or market cap. Then activate ETS auto sell, and the bot will sell automatically when the targets are reached. Selling options, sell initials, sells the same amount of tokens you bought for the same amount of ETH. Sell X%, sells a specified percentage of tokens. Sell X ETH, sells tokens for a specified amount of ETH. Sell Max TX, sells the maximum allowed amount of tokens. Sell X tokens, sells a specific number of tokens. Monitor management, reset, resets 0% to the current values, allowing you to track profit from a new point. Refresh, updates the monitor without resetting 0%. Stop, stops tracking the token. Delete, completely removes the monitor. That's it. Now you know how to fully set up and use your Sniper bot for automatic token trading. If you didn't catch all the settings or want to see them in action, check out my Telegram channel where I share my signals and settings. Also, be sure to check the link tree in the description for all the relevant links. And don't forget, the link to the Maestro Sniper Bot is also in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.